Welcome to Brooks Chemical Services. Brooks Chemical Services proudly brings you the complete and professional procedure of bitumen membrane waterproofing, torch-applied system. Before applying the membrane, our expert team fully prepares your roof using premium surface treatment, including a crack repair, a joint filling and sealing, a bandaging of weak points, finishing with putty knife, primer coat application. After perfect surface preparation, we apply a 4 mm imported bitumen membrane sheet using the torch-applied method, ensuring long-lasting waterproofing durability. Our premium waterproofing services include roof waterproofing, wall waterproofing, internal and external, or water tank waterproofing, overhead and underground, basement and gutter waterproofing, expansion joint treatment. We use top-quality chemicals like PU Sealant, Everseal, BCS 2000, and other imported materials to ensure maximum protection from leakage and seepage. Why choose Brooks Chemical Services? 20-plus years of professional experience. Trained and expert team. BARDA high-quality imported materials. Long-term guaranteed solutions. A services for homes, offices, and factories. Contact us today. Brooks Chemical Services. Just 33030 Duane 0335 333 W Bunk Brooks PK. This is what the roof looks like after installing the bitumen on top of the roof.